Hi, I'm Matt. My wife Allison and I own and run Backwoods Metal Art. We specialize in hand-cut metal art using a plasma cutter, horseshoe art, and light fabrication. We make everything from goat milking stands to fire rings and even the sphere-shaped fire pits. In our videos, we will show the steps involved in making our hand-cut products and talk about plasma cutters and how to use them. We will give tips on how to make straighter, steadier cuts and talk about different techniques. If this sounds interesting to you, click the subscribe button and we will try to keep the videos coming. Thanks.